Hey guys, we have here the JBL Endurance Peak 3 wireless earbuds, and in this video we want to check out the microphone quality of these earbuds. So in order to do that, we're going to connect these to my iPhone that I have here, and I have here the Recorder Plus app on here, and this one allows me to record the audio from the earbuds. So you see this here, this option is enabled to record from Bluetooth, and we're going to record in 48 kilohertz, and then we're saving this in the WAV format. So now let us get started. So I'm going to activate these earbuds. I'm going to put them in my ear. And now we're just started to record the audio, so the microphone input from the JBL Endurance Peak 3 earbuds. So this is now not anymore the video camera that I'm using here. So this is like now really the input from the microphones from the Endurance Peak 3. But do consider this is now indoors, so this is a really quiet environment. There's not much distractions or any surrounding noises. So let us try this out outside.
Okay, so now we're walking outside, still using the JBL Endurance Peak 3. So, a quiet evening, not much going on. So, a little bit of food going, so let's see how the four microphones feel together. Noise. Let's see how well they further out the side noises. We have some go. We walk a little bit. There's snorting and crunching noises. Let's see how that works. Okay, now let's try this out and go over to a major street where we have some more cars passing by and see how it sounds there.
Okay, so now let's see what's happening now. So we're right by a major road, so a couple of cars approaching. So it will make a lot of noise, and good to see how the JBL Endurance Peak 3 can keep up with that kind of traffic. So it's a whole lot of noise to see if you can still hear my voice over all this traffic. It's kind of important if you're in a phone conversation driving by, walking by the road in the city. So let's see what this sounds like, and let me know what you think.